He is almost never in his office. Chapter 1 provides the historical background to the topic. The U.S. ranks 22nd in foreign aid, given it as a percentage of GDP. The verdict depends on which side was more convincing to the jury. Anatomy is the study of internal and external body structures. The tutor is there for help, so do ask if you don't understand anything. To understand its entity, we need to go back to its origin. Interpreters are not readily available in this department. The meeting has some struggling overlaps. The railway makes long-distance travel possible for everyone. The rising temperature is changing the wildlife population. The school's summer programs help students to accelerate their studies. The summer course was cancelled due to insufficient re-enrollments. The teacher asked the group to commence the task. The theater courses are encouraging students to access creativity. The toughest part of research for postgraduate students is funding. There is a pharmacy on campus near the bookstore. There is clearly a need for further research in this field. This course is integrated because it has several parts. This course provides the opportunity to get valuable industry experience. Traveling by boat on the river is not possible in winter. Understanding how to use the library will save your time. A good research assistant is not afraid to ask questions. Good nutrition is crucial to the general health and vitality. You may need to purchase an academic gown before the commencement. You need to hand in the essay next semester. You should submit your team papers to the general office. You will need to purchase an academic gown before the commencement. The government financial plan has threatened the social services. The posters are on display at the larger lecture theater. Democracy is constantly offering a stable form of government. All students are expected to participate in all class activities. Researchers say many students feel stressed and affect academic results. Critical thinking is crucial for mathematics. The Earth's atmosphere is primarily composed of nitrogen and oxygen. At last, she passed the exam with a friend's help. We have to reduce the use of our plastic material. Online courses enable people to improve their skills while employed. A wide range of aspects are covered in this subject. Keep your audience in your mind when writing an essay.
The output should be proportional to the input. We have done everything we can to standardize the procedure. The program has been successful since its inception. The sports team members often practice on weekdays and play games on weekends. You should be careful when searching internet sources. We must decide how to utilize the resources we have. The factory has achieved a steady growth in output. Teachers must keep a record of students' attendances. I recommend that you should get some professional advice. Economic problems caused a big rise in unemployment.